On a farm out in the country, there lived a mother cat. Rex, the farm dog, lived there too. Mother cat had a cozy home in a big box for her new kittens. This kitten is Blackie, and this little fellow is Puff. Rex often went to the box to watch the kittens play. They were a happy family. Mother cat took good care of them all. This farm was a pleasant place to live. One day, when it was sunny and warm in the box, and the kittens were well groomed and fed, Mother cat jumped out of her box to go to the forest nearby to look for mice. Mother cat liked to go to the forest hunting mice. The forest was quite different from the farm. The opossum lived in the forest, and the porcupine hunted for his food there. A mother fox was looking for her food, but her baby fox was just having fun. The owl had been hunting all night and was now ready for a nap. But the hawk was hungry. He was looking for food. Down below he saw 3 baby skunks all alone. They had lost their mother the day before. What a good breakfast for a hungry hawk. When a hawk gets hungry, he looks for small animals to eat. Baby skunks, for instance. But a mother cat was too big for him. Could she help the baby skunks? Could she save them from the hawk? Mother cat had never seen baby skunks before, but somehow she sensed that they were hungry and frightened. So she tried to pick one up by the neck, the way cats carry their own babies. Up there, the hawk was waiting for Mother cat to give up. But Mother cat tried again and again. Maybe they'd follow her. She'll lead the way to her home where they would be safe. This friendly furry cat was so much like their own mother that the baby skunks followed her all the way home. And so it happened that 3 baby skunks came to live on the farm with a mother cat. They were hungry too. It was so good to have warm mother's milk again. Puff was not quite sure whether he liked the new family, but Mother cat liked them all. She had enough milk for everyone. After dinner, Mother cat gave the whole family a good scrubbing. She licked the little skunks to get them clean. And she licked the kittens, especially Puff. Her own kittens and her adopted babies got the same loving care. They were brothers and sisters now, so the little kittens made friends with the baby skunks. When their stomachs were full and they'd all had the bath, they settled down for a nice, long nap. After the nap, they were ready for play. At first, they were a bit quiet and shy. Mother cat watched patiently while they began to get acquainted. They soon learned a lot about each other, how they smelled, and how they looked. About this time, Rex's fine nose had detected a new scent, so he came to investigate. There was Mother Cat and her new family. The new members of her family certainly didn't look like kittens, but if Mother Cat liked them, Rex would be friendly and treat them all alike. Time passed quickly. As they grew older, Blackie was the first to climb out of the box. It took Sandy a little longer to get out because his legs were not very strong yet. But he made it. One of the baby skunks quickly learned that he could climb too. Puff tried several times, but he had to practice some more and grow a little before he would be able to get out by himself. One day, sometime later, while Mother Cat had taken her kittens out for a tree climbing lesson, the little skunks remained alone in their box. Soon they got tired of playing alone. One by one, they wandered out of their box. They strolled across the yard, past the watchdog, and out onto the dirt road. In a short while, the three baby skunks found themselves in the forest. The forest is the real home of skunks. It seems such a fine place to play, so much bigger than the barnyard. In the barnyard, they had never seen the brook, and they had not learned an important lesson for all forest creatures: to be always on the alert. There was the sleepy owl. Would he harm them? Not if he had had his dinner. The baby skunks knew nothing about the danger of the forest. Merrily, one of them ventured out into the water. The rocks were slippery and the baby skunk slid off. He got his tail wet and he got his feet wet, but he didn't seem to care. Soon he led the way for a new adventure. He found plants and leaves that he had never seen before. The baby skunk spotted a baby fox, and the fox spotted the skunk. Perhaps he would like to play. But no, he ran away. So the little skunk went back to find his brothers. Meanwhile, Mother Cat and Rex were back at the farm. The baby skunks had gone away. Mother Cat saw the hawk flying overhead. Rex saw it too. Mother Cat hurried off to look for her little ones, who were having such a good time. They didn't look up to see the hungry hawk. Mother Cat hurried. Her young ones were in danger. What a good meal one of the little skunks would make for a hungry hawk. Mother Cat looked and looked. Her little skunks couldn't be too far away. She had to find them, or the hawk would surely swoop down. The owl seemed to be waiting to see who would win this time. Mother Cat turned toward the brook, and out there she found her naughty little baby skunks. They had been naughty. They'd gone a long way from the barnyard when they were still too small to take care of themselves. The hawk was very, very angry. He had lost a good meal again. Once more, Mother Cat led the way home. This time, the little skunks followed her readily. They were glad to be back in the barnyard. Soon the whole family was together again. It was a proud and happy family where two different kinds of young animals found love in the same home. And to Mother Cat, it really didn't matter whether the babies were kittens or skunks. She took good care of them all.